Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the recent events that has made a mark on everyone's minds. Olympics Tokyo 2020. So this was the first time I watched the Olympics with my parents, and I was awestruck by the various moments that made a big impact not only to the athlete's life but also the millions of people who were a part of the witness to the moments. So today I'm going to talk about 5 special moments and life's lessons about Olympics that changed my whole perspective about life situations. Moment number 1. Simone Biles. She is one of the most successful artistic gymnasts in the world. This Olympics, in the middle of the tournament, she took a break because she prioritized her mental well-being instead of going for the medal race, even though she was about to create a history. Mental health is very important because if we don't take care of it properly, it can have a negative impact on our overall health. This teaches us that focusing on your mental health is also important, and there is nothing wrong in taking a break. Doesn't matter even if it is Olympics. What I learned from Simone Biles is that mental health is equally important as physical health, and one must not ignore it at any cost. Moment number 2. Sharing the gold medal. This was one of the most inspiring moments of Olympics. As quoted by Mint on 1st August 2021, an incredible event took place at the Tokyo Olympics. Mutaz Essa Barshim of Qatar and Gianmarco Tamberi of Italy shared the gold medal for men's high jump. Both Barshim and Tamberi had cleared 2.37 meters and were able to clear the 2.39 meters bar even after 3 attempts. When the Olympic official came to discuss the modalities of the sudden death jump to determine the winner, Barshim asked if they could share the medal. The official replied that this was a possibility and the rest is history. This is beyond winning. It is about sharing the success, the win, the joy. Also, one more thing I realized from this historic incident. Had not Barshim had also asked about sharing the medal, this might have not happened. So by all means, ask. You never know what might be there in the store for you. Moment number 3. India's first ever athletic gold medal. After 73 years of independence, India grabbed its first ever gold medal in athletics. Neeraj Chopra grabbed the medal because of his dedication and willpower. This was indeed a proud moment for a country of 1.3 billion, as it marks the beginning of a new era in sports for India. Moment number 4. While I was watching the Olympics, my mom said during the discussions that one of the most painful place to stand in the final ranking is number 4, not number 3 or number 2. So true it is, right? While we celebrate the winners, let us not forget those who lost a chance to grab a medal just with a difference of 1 second or 1 centimeter. It teaches us how important even a fraction of a second is. So, it also applies to our day-to-day life. Don't even waste one moment of your life doing things that would hurt you or others. Give your best every time. Moment number 5. To host Japan. Hosting a world event amidst a pandemic was not a small feat to accomplish, especially when the whole world is watching you closely. Japan, you did it in spite of the challenges. This shows us that no matter what, the world has to move on. The life has to move on. So friends, these were some of the moments that define that life is all about giving your best shot. So go for it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great weekend ahead. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. The life skill learned is never give up. No matter what, give your best every time.